Airlines are using AI to predict engine failures before they happen. By analyzing data from sensors on engines, AI algorithms can identify subtle signs of wear and tear. This allows airlines to schedule maintenance proactively, reducing delays and improving safety. But it's not just airplanes. Manufacturing plants are using AI to predict equipment failures, reducing downtime and saving millions of dollars. Wind farms are using AI to optimize turbine performance and predict maintenance needs, maximizing energy output. The benefits of AI-driven reliability are hard to ignore. First and foremost, predictive maintenance saves money. By preventing costly downtime, businesses can optimize their operations and improve their bottom line. A study by Deloitte found that predictive maintenance can reduce maintenance costs by 5 to 10% and reduce downtime by 30 to 50%. But it's not just about the money. Predictive maintenance also improves safety. By identifying potential problems before they escalate, businesses can create a safer working environment for their employees. And in industries like transportation and energy, predictive maintenance can help prevent catastrophic accidents. The future of maintenance is inextricably linked to the evolution of AI. As we move forward, AI is set to revolutionize how we approach the upkeep of machinery and infrastructure. This transformation is not just about making things faster or more efficient. It's about creating a paradigm shift in the way we think about maintenance. As AI algorithms become more sophisticated, they will be able to predict failures with even greater accuracy. This means that potential issues can be identified long before they become critical problems, allowing for timely interventions. The ability to foresee and address issues proactively will save industries significant time and resources. We can expect to see a future where machines are constantly monitored and maintained in near real time, minimizing downtime and maximizing performance. This continuous monitoring will ensure that machinery operates at peak efficiency, reducing the likelihood of unexpected breakdowns and extending the lifespan of equipment. But the impact of AI on maintenance extends beyond prediction. AI systems can analyze vast amounts of data to provide insights that were previously unimaginable. These insights can lead to innovations in maintenance strategies and techniques, further enhancing the reliability and efficiency of operations. AI-powered robots will play an increasingly important role in carrying out maintenance tasks, freeing up human workers to focus on more complex issues. These robots can perform repetitive or hazardous tasks with precision, ensuring that maintenance is carried out safely and effectively. We can envision a future where AI and humans work together, leveraging each other's strengths to create a more efficient and reliable world. This collaboration will not only enhance productivity, but also foster innovation, as humans and AI systems learn from each other and push the boundaries of what is possible.